Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast without eggs. Many people avoid eggs for dietary reasons or simply don't have them on hand. We'll use a clever combination of plant-based milk and a touch of flour to create the perfect eggy texture. This method ensures your French toast is just as rich and satisfying as the traditional version, offering a fantastic alternative for a delightful breakfast or brunch. Now let's craft our amazing egg-free batter. In a shallow dish, whisk together 1 cup of your favorite plant-based milk, like almond or oat, with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This creates our essential binder. Then stir in 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a dash of vanilla extract. Mix until smooth, ensuring no lumps remain for a perfectly seasoned base. With your batter ready, it's time to prepare the bread. Use thick slices of day-old bread, such as brioche or challah, as they absorb the batter wonderfully without becoming soggy. Dip each slice into the batter for about 10 to 15 seconds per side, just enough to coat it evenly. Then, place the coated bread onto a preheated, lightly buttered griddle or non-stick pan. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious egg-free French toast is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm with a generous drizzle of maple syrup. For extra flair, garnish with fresh berries, sliced bananas, or a dusting of powdered sugar. You can also add a dollop of plant-based whipped cream for an indulgent treat. Feel free to experiment with spices like nutmeg or a pinch of cardamom in your batter for unique flavor variations. Enjoy your delightful creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.